VIVA is a pilot project launched in 2011 by the Italian Ministry for the Environment, Land and Sea to measure the sustainability performance of Italian wines. The main objectives of the project are to define just how sustainable actual production systems are and to produce the guidelines for sustainable wine production in line with the recommendations from the European Union and the International Organization of Vine and Wine. The VIVA project is focused on an integrated approach to sustainability, in which the evaluation of the sustainability performance of a wine is judged according to 4 indicators. The indicator air refers to the total greenhouse gas emission associated directly or indirectly with the production and consumption of one 0.75 litre bottle of wine. The indicator water is a measure of how many litres of fresh water have been used or contaminated in the vineyard and the cellar in order to produce one 0.75 litre bottle of wine. Vineyard is an indicator of the effect that agrochemicals have on the environment, as well as of the influence that soil management techniques have on the fertility and structure of the soil. The level of biodiversity detectable in the vineyard ecosystem is also taken into consideration. The indicator territory uses specific qualitative and quantitative parameters to evaluate the environmental, economic and social effects that wineries and their production activities have on the local biodiversity, the surrounding landscape, their workforce, the local community and consumers. A VIVA certified wine is immediately recognizable from its labeling. The label shows the VIVA logo, the symbols of the 4 evaluation indicators, the logo of the Italian Ministry for the Environment, Land and Sea, a QR code that enables users of smartphones and tablets to link directly to a web page where all the information relating to the sustainability performance of that wine is available. The first step for finding out more details about the sustainability of a given wine is locating the VIVA label, which is normally applied to the back of the bottle. By photographing the QR code using a smartphone or tablet, or by using the VIVA app, it's possible to link to a web page that briefly illustrates the project and its objectives. From there, with one touch, it's possible to access the web page dedicated to the sustainability performance of the chosen wine. The name of the wine, the wine grower's name and a picture of the label are also visible at the top of the page. The results relative to each of the 4 indicators, air, water, vineyard and territory, will be displayed by scrolling down. Each indicator is briefly described, as well as which aspects of sustainability it measures are clearly outlined. Taking air and water as examples, the relative impact of each component measured for these indicators is also clearly shown. One touch of a plus sign will reveal more detailed information. In this section, it will be possible to evaluate changes in the sustainability indicators with time, highlighting efforts by the wine grower to improve the sustainability of that specific wine.